Oh my gosh. Hello. 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 We're crooked. Do we really care? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is an unplanned video. It's an impromptu video. Also excuse how I look. I just gave myself a fresh spray tan. I'm in this like big brown hoodie, black sweats, and look at our cute new Evil Ice slippers from CNC. Anyways, I posted on my story yesterday that I'm going to London and I'm going in a carry-on, and a lot of you guys wanted me to post what I'm sorry, I still have a cough. A lot of you guys wanted me to post what I'm bringing. I'm not gonna lie, I was stressed. This was stressful, and I've been packing for 2 days because I wanted to make sure that I put together like the best carry-on, and I give you guys my best tips on how to pack in a carry-on. So you guys might remember I did this video where I packed 100 outfits in a carry-on in the summertime, and it's a little bit harder to pack in the fall just because everything is so much bigger. I'm going for 4 days, really 3 full days, so it's doable in a carry-on. Anything longer than that, I would have to bring a regular luggage. Like, this was already hard. Although I do have enough outfits for like 2 weeks in my carry-on. I remember I went to London and Paris a few years ago, and I brought like my biggest luggage, and that was like busting at the seams. So I'm really impressed that this is what I'm doing. I did try on all the outfits today and film them, so I will show you guys the outfits, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to show you guys every possible combination, but just know, okay, with the tips that I give you, and if you like kind of emulate this packing situation, you'll have plenty of outfits. So let's get into the tips on how to pack in a carry-on. So tip number 1, and the most important tip I'm going to give you, is pick a color. Pick one color. If you're going on a short trip, you want to pick one color palette and stick to it. This way you will be able to mix and match all of your pieces together. This might be a shock to you, but I went with brown, primarily brown, but also black. So because it's the fall and I'm going to London, I wanted like really like dark tones, and brown and black is one of my favorite combinations. I feel like for a long time people hated pairing them, but that's my favorite combination. So you're going to notice there's a lot of brown in here, but you can do black, you can do lighter tones, you can do primarily denim focused. Pick a color palette. And now this is also very important because if you're traveling with a carry-on, you don't have room to bring a ton of coats. So when you're picking a coat or a jacket, you need to pick one that goes with almost all of your outfits. So I'm actually not even bringing like one of my favorite coats on my list of favorite coats. This is probably like 10 or 11. It is my brown coat from Zara. Don't get me wrong, I love this coat, but I have so many that I love more. However, this one just worked the best with all of the things that I'm bringing, and the undertones of everything just worked the best. Space is really limited. You don't have the space to bring a bunch of coats for each outfit. You have to pick a color and figure out which coat works with the most amount of outfits. And I took into consideration when I was putting my outfits together the coat that I had in mind. That may seem a little bit crazy, but it just really helped in keeping everything cohesive and really making the most out of the space that you have. My second tip, okay, is to plan your outfits for each thing that you're doing. So what I do is I go through and I create a note on my notes app here. You can see my ring light. So what I do is I go through and I create a note on my note app, London outfits. I have what I'm going to wear to my airport and day 1, and I'll go through what I'm doing during the day. Based on what I'm doing during the day and night, I will mark down the outfit that I have planned. This takes so much stress off of packing, making sure that you have all the outfits that you need, and then also when you're on vacation, you just go into your notes app and see what you need. So I'll even put in a picture. So like for nighttime, this is one of the outfits that I'm wearing. Day 2, I just forgot some pictures. And as I'm trying on outfits, if there's any extra outfits that I make from combinations of the things that I'm bringing, they can go in the extra outfits category. So although I primarily have them all in my head, it's really important when you're packing in a carry-on to really go through and plan your outfits down to like all of the things that you're doing. You want to make sure that at least at the bare minimum you have those things covered, and then you can add in any extras after. I definitely have way more than I need, but at least I know based on what I have here, I'll have all of the outfits covered. And then what you can do when you're packing to make sure you don't forget anything, you can go through your list and make sure you have everything. Now let's talk about shoes. kind of like coats, you want to go through and pick shoes that go with the most amount of outfits. So this is all of my tips, all of what I'm packing is focused on my trip to London. However, if you are going to like Alaska, your outfits will probably be very different. These are just the tips, and you can kind of adjust it to work for your trip. For me, I know there's like a lot of fancy dinners, a lot of fancy places that my boyfriend has planned to go to, so that's why my outfits are a little bit fancier. I also feel like London is just like a little bit more of an elevated area. For shoes, for me, the biggest thing is comfort. We're going to be doing a lot of walking, but I also wanted shoes that were like really pretty and went with my outfits, my like fancier outfits. So I'm going to go through the shoes that I'm bringing. The first are these booties, these cream knee-high booties. These are my favorite booties. It's crazy because I actually bought these to wear with a costume last November, but they've turned out to be my favorite booties because they are so comfortable. These are just as comfortable for me as like a pair of flats. They really truly are. The leather is so soft, the heel is not too high. I can walk around all day in these, and I have like 4 outfits planned with these boots, so these are definitely coming with me. In terms of comfier shoes, I have these are white leather sneakers. I opted for these sneakers because the leather elevates them a little bit. And then we have black loafers. I've been loving loafers, and these are the comfiest ones out of all of the loafers I have. These are just from Zara, and these can be worn during the day or the night. And then as my pair of like high heels, because I'm actually only wearing these one night, we have like a really fancy evening planned, I'm bringing these heels. For my purse, I'm just bringing a little black bag. Now let's get on to the clothes. When I pack, like I said, I pack based on outfits, and then from those outfits you can take things, mix and match them with other pieces in different outfits, and you have so many different outfit options to pick from. So I'm going to go through and show you complete outfits. So let's get into day one. The first outfit I'm packing for, I'm bringing this black mock neck shirt. This is from Babaton, and this is my #1 favorite purchase for the fall time. I have them in 3 colors, and all 3 of them are coming with me. And then with that, I am bringing these pants, also from Babaton. I believe these are the program pants, but I'll leave them linked down below. They're my new favorite. They're a skinnier leg and have like a straight cut at the bottom, and these are super comfortable. I was debating between these and black jeans, but these feel like leggings, so for me, like I said, I really want to prioritize comfort. And then with that, I'm going to wear this Houndstooth kind of Shacket I just picked up. There's like beigey tones and black, and it just looks really good together. I feel like Houndstooth is a very London print. I literally picked this up today, and I originally was going to bring a different Houndstooth jacket, but I cannot wait to wear this one. So that is outfit #1. Okay, so I originally wanted to wear those We Wore What jeans, and they're really cute, but these are from Aritzia. They're kind of like have a straight leg, but like a mini flare. They're way comfier. They just feel kind of like yoga pants, so I think I'm gonna go with these instead. Then for nighttime, I'm going to bring the same black mock neck, but in brown. And I'm going to wear that with my brown skirt from Revolve. And by the way, when I pack these items in my carry-on, I'm also packing them together. And then I'm gonna wear that with these white boots and the brown coat. So for day 2, we're going to sketch, and I'm going to wear this. The color never comes across on camera as nicely as it is actually. You'll see in the try on, but it literally never looks as good on camera as it does in real life. And I'm going to wear this again with these boots. I've been to sketch once before, so I kind of know the vibe. I feel like this is really cute for London. It's a little bit springy. I feel like if I need to wear a coat, the brown coat will kind of make it a little bit more fall. And then I'm gonna wear it with these boots because after sketch, my plan is to do a little bit of shopping. These are like actually the comfiest boots ever. I can do a lot of walking in them. And then nighttime, that's like the fancier night. I brought 3 different options, but the options can also be dressed down so that they don't have to be as fancy. So the first option is my Remy Revolve dress. Really love it. It's comfy, it's pretty, and then I threw it on with some black tights and then some little black heels. Or if I don't want to wear that, for whatever reason, I'm not in the mood, I'm going to wear this dress, which is from Zara. I wore this to an engagement party not so long ago, and I just love the print. It makes me feel really pretty, and so I thought that I could either wear that. I tried it on with some tights and the black heels, but it also, the colors look really good with these booties as well. For my extra dressy option, this is the outfit I'm going for. I absolutely love this dress, the pattern, everything. So I can either wear it with tights and black heels, or I can wear it with these if I wanted to be a little bit more casual, and it would also look really good with the brown coat thrown on top because there's brown running through the dress. Another option for that night that I can wear casually or dressed up is this knit, again, mock neck dress. I wore it in an outfit of the day video, outfit of the week video, or I can wear it with a pair of black tights, sheer tights, loafers, and a black blazer. My favorite blazers in the whole world are the Vogue blazers from Aritzia. They are extremely pricey, but the fit, the oversizedness, everything is absolutely perfect. So I'm actually bringing 2 of them. And this is the black one. For my third day outfit, I am going to be wearing a brown suit. So this could be either, again, a day or night, but the way I wanted to dress it up was really casual with a pair of white sneakers. They're the agency pants from Aritzia. My absolute favorite pants. They just released their short version of this pants, and it's the perfect length. This is the rich chocolate mocha something brown color, the blazer that I'm bringing. And with that, I'm going to wear this tank top in Whisper White, or I can also wear the brown mock neck that I have packed for like a whole brown moment. These are the short agency pants, which are the perfect length. And then this is the Vogue blazer, leather sneakers from Zara. Okay, so here I wanted to show you another mix and match moment. We have the brown agency pants with the brown mock neck for just a really simple monochromatic look. While I was trying on outfits, there were outfits that I absolutely loved, but because they kind of didn't work with the color palette that I was going with, I decided not to bring them. Obviously, if there's one thing, like one dress or one outfit that you absolutely want to wear, by all means, like, prioritize that outfit. Not everything has to go together. One of the things that I stress about the most, and why I'm an overpacker and why you're probably an overpacker, is the what if scenarios that you have going on in your head. Always even overpack in a carry-on, and I feel like going on a few trips in a carry-on now, I really realize that, so that's why I've really narrowed it down. And then on night 3, it's going to be a little bit more of a casual vibe, so I'm going to bring a pair of jeans. I actually just got these jeans. These are my favorite jeans from Zara. I have them in a few different colors now. They are the high-rise straight leg ankle rigid jeans. So I have them in a little bit of a darker wash because in the fall I just prefer darker tones, but I plan on wearing it that night with this black knit sweater, cropped like a little bit, and then also with the black blazer and either my loafers or a pair of black booties that I'll have to squeeze in, because I just realized that right now. I bought them in 2 colors. I also bought them in this color, so I'm debating between which ones I want. These are the darker jeans. I think for this time of the year, I actually prefer this wash. And then during the day, on the last day, I'll probably just end up wearing like jeans and a sweater or jeans and a t-shirt. I'm planning on bringing some extras, so I'll go through that quickly right now. I'm going to bring this white bodysuit. This is from Dynamite. Dynamite has some of my favorite bodysuits. I'm going to bring this knit sweater from Abercrombie. I'm going to bring a plain white t-shirt because you should always bring a plain white t-shirt. I'm realizing that I need to go through and take the tags off of all of these things. And then I'm also going to go and bring this little corset from White Fox because I just wanted like a sexy option, you know? And then of course a pair of plain black leggings, a bodysuit to go under one of the dresses because it's a little see-through, and some tights. So now I'm going to go through, pack everything in the carry-on. I actually stopped using packing cubes. I know in my last video I said use packing cubes. I don't find they actually did very much. So like I said, I don't use packing cubes anymore. I just don't think that they're really good for organizing, and in certain cases, like they really do help, like for bathing suits. For this trip, I'm just gonna do the rolling method. It really helps with wrinkles. So here I have my 3 dresses. I have some shirts. Here I have a pair of pants that I'm gonna wear with this shirt. I wanted to keep everything kind of close together, so I have this outfit close together, this dress. I have a corset here. It has a lot of boning in it, so it has to like lay flat. And then here I have 2 layers of little shirts. I can even fit something in there. And this can also do like another layer of clothes on top. All right, so I have everything packed up now. I have blazers, pants, everything is kind of rolled up. I have a pair of boots there, and then I have a pair of boots here, 2 sweaters, and the stuff you saw before. It might be a little bit tight to close, but I know we can get it. All I have in here is my makeup and skincare, and then 2 pairs of shoes, a curling iron, and then I'm gonna add also my Kindle and Beats and everything. It comes with this little pouch, so I'm gonna put like all of my important things in this pouch. I love this bag. It's like gigantic. And for all my jewelry, I just put it in the jewelry bag that we send our jewelry in whenever you buy it. Okay, so for the airport, I'm actually wearing this new cashmere set I got from Aritzia. I have it in this beigey color and black, but because I'm wearing my brown coat, I think I'm going to wear the beige one, and then I just have these like little white sneakers. Okay, so I know I'm the worst. I've been meaning to edit this and get this video up for a while now, but it's been crazy with Black Friday and the holidays and everything going on. But now it's okay because I can actually tell you what I wore and what I didn't wear. I absolutely did not wear those high heels. I totally could have left them at home. I wore all of the outfits I planned and scheduled. I opted to wear the snake print kind of dress with some little booties. And to sketch, I ended up wearing that black knit dress with tights, the blazer, and the loafers. So that's really the only thing. Everything else was perfect. I would not have changed a thing. And I opted, instead of that carry-on bag, I brought the mini weekender. I also wanted to show you guys this luggage I got from Bayes in this beautiful chocolate brown color, and then they also have this duffel in the same beautiful chocolate brown. Besides that, I really wore everything that I brought. Even could have left a few things at home, like the brown bodysuit and some other things I just didn't wear, but I had the room for it, so I brought it, and it worked out perfectly. The shoes and everything were the perfect choice. Obviously it's colder now, but I don't think I would necessarily change anything. I might just bring a scarf and some gloves, and for the dresses you can throw on a pair of like new tights to warm it up, or maybe just a warmer jacket, but it goes for the fall and winter as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful holiday season with your family, and I hope this helps if you're traveling for the holidays. I hope it helps a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye.